Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Quick short ride. I'm taking out my Ducati Pikes Peak. I just got this quad lock mount for the bikes. I mounted this one already. I'm gonna remount the one on the Harley because I need to get an extra piece because it's not flush like this. And I'm gonna take it out for a ride. I didn't do the pre-wired one. As you can tell, I ran these tires here nice and tidy. I connected to the USB because I don't like to permanently rewire and mess with the wiring on any of the bikes. But this thing is pretty cool. Primary reason why I got this is because this has a, I don't know if you can tell there, I bought the shock absorber. This is the new iPhone. The last one, my camera got messed up. So I wanted to get, look how easy that is. It just goes on there super easy. So I wanted to get one that protects my phone, but still allows me to have it there for navigation, phone calls, or whatever. So I'm just going to go take it for a quick spin. And not a lot of talking, just a quick short ride. It's about to rain here in a little bit, so I'm going to go for a quick rip. Let you hear the sound of this Akrapovic exhaust, which I know you've heard before. So you can tell already, it's already charging. As soon as you turn on the bike, it starts to charge. And see the vibration dampener already doing its job. Let's go for a quick spin. So look, quick short video. As you can tell from the video there, this thing is absorbing all of the movement of the iPhone. And check this out, one of my favorite parts. It matches the bike. The small things, I tell you. Thanks for watching.